Yes, guys, it is. It is my biggest day ever. $5,500, slightly bit more. What an insane then. If you told me this a year ago, I would have laughed at you. This was a dream a year ago. This is the reality now, and it's working out. Even if this number is, of course, pumped by the number of PA I have, also the number of PA, I never had them before, and I'm working hard to keep them. My accounts are not blowing up, my accounts are staying there, and because I'm consistent. I'm gonna tell you how I did it. I'm gonna tell you as well how I got today my biggest day ever. So finally I'm reaching a payout very close. I'm just $5,000 of payout, and by the next day, if everything goes well, we don't know, just other $1,000 of payout, making a $7,000 payout. Insane. Insane. This is the results of consistency. There is the result of not giving up, the result of 3 years of pain. Now is the fourth year. So 4 years of pain coming out for a final paying off. So you wanna think about all the journey I've done, it's definitely, I would say right now, finally it's worth it. But if I had to go back 4 years ago, I would have probably not done it. I would have followed a different plan. But if you're here and it's been years you're trading, just stick on the video, and we're gonna look for how I did it, the strategy, and you know it. If you're looking for it, the strategy is all explained. And if you're using, guys, Apex as a prop firm, just remember to use my code Hamza, and you can use it as many times as you want. This is my name here below. Hamza is my name, is my code as well. And let's go to the strategy. So you know very well that my strategy is a 15 minutes break. This is explained in my latest video. You can go and watch it. I explain it in details. So the only funny things is that today I've done a little mistakes. I thought that this was the 15 minutes level. The 15 minutes level was here. But even with that, even if you took the break on these 15 minutes that was here, you would have gotten your 10 points. So no matter what, this would have worked out today. So here I already won my first $2,000 on the day. Great. And especially because why? I waited for the first minutes to liquidate or above or lower, and the market to decide first to liquidate the lower side. All these people here that were trying to push had their stop loss here. And then I went for a long, the break higher, and it worked out really well. Then we just waited for the next 15 minutes. And if we go to the 15-minute chart here, you will see that we had the first break. That is the one I told you we took the long, and it worked out very well. Then the second break was, you can see that this candle closed and it broke right away. There was no time for the market to give us a possibility to put an order. So if a break happens like this, we just skip it. We don't care. We are gonna avoid it. We're gonna wait the next one. It's every 15 minutes for the first hour of the day. If we miss it, it's peace and love. Later is that we went above, we created a new 15 minutes candle, and look at this 15 minutes candle here, guys. It broke quite nicely. What was the level? I'm gonna put it here. Okay, if this works. The 15 minutes was here, and if you took it at this break, it would have worked out, because at 31 your stop loss would have been 15, somewhere here. You would have not getting stopped out, and you would have taken your 10 points. I just did not like this break because we were kind of rejected often here. We had space, but I was like, let's wait for the next break. And that's what I've done. And that is about the strategy. When you have experience, you just avoid or take any trades. And I say again, just 2 trades a day. If you decide to take trades, just 2 of them. And if they fail, just move away. If one is a winner, is a loser, move away. If you both are a winner, like today, great. So what happened later is that I looked for the next 15 minutes break. So if we go to this chart, the 15 minutes break later was at 975.25. Then it was this here, guys. This break here was the next one, 975.25. I put the break, I put the order here, the break, I got a slippage. It's normal when you look for breaks, it's normal, and you put the order side, it's normal, you get slippage. You finger cross the slippage is not excessive, like it happened 2 days ago where I got 8 point slippage. and it worked out. I got 10 points. And that is the beauty of this strategy. Very simple. I'm using also a different strategy, but I'm gonna wait to explain this for the next time to have a better video where I explain everything. So you have more explanation. But today I've done $5,510. With this strategy only, the 15 minutes breaks, I've done $4,000, so the majority of it. But guys, $5,510 in one day by being disciplined, by just waiting for the next break, avoiding what you don't like, and that is paying off. 1 hour is over right now, is already 10:40 New York time. I'm done. I'm done trading. I don't have to look at this chart. I don't have to look what is going to happen. So that's why many people fail, is that they look too much at what the market can give me more. Is it the market gonna give me 100 points, 200 points? You don't need these points giving to make money from trading. What you need is a strategy that is repeatable in the futures, that it repeats, that you are able to follow, you're consistent on it, and you build a nice habit. That's what happened with this strategy. This strategy, it's been from March, April that I've been following it. It's the strategy that is paying out. So if right now I show you the accounts and their balance, you will see that this account 13 has only $140 for the payout. And I can request all the trade because this is already my fourth request in 4 different months, making me request $5,000 of payout. That can happen tomorrow with one trade. And we have this account here at payout as well. Well, not this one, at 53,000. The only problem here I've done is that my consistency was not the best. And that's what I messed up. And that's why right now I need a few more days to get the payout. I need $37,000 in balance because of that consistency. But you can see right now I'm $17,000 up on all my accounts. $17,000. 5 of them I can request payout tomorrow, and 2 or more for the next days. This account as well at 53,596. And you can see, guys, well, look at this, what consistency means, guys. What means following a strategy. Look at this. Account 13, that where I can request everything, is 152 days alive. This is the life of this account. 153 days, more than half of year trading. Probably 3 quarters of the year this account is alive. And look at this, 51 days, 59 days, 27 days. That is what I'm building right now. Consistency, making this account grow, making these accounts important, and having payouts step by step in every account. It might take a lot. Look at this account 21 where I'm very close to request payout because I need only $600 more. Guys, 50 days, no payout, but the account is not blown. The account is not blown, it's growing. And that's the only things you need. Just keep the consistency working out. Find a strategy, follow the strategy I'm teaching you here in the strategy. You can do whatever you like. Just follow a strategy and build the habit. When you build the habit, then any strategy later on that you're gonna follow is gonna work out much easier. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to use Apex and you want to use my code, this helps me a lot. Again, the code is Hamza. You can use it as many times as you want. You get 80% off right now. And guys, I wish you the best, and I wanted just to share this beautiful day with you.